To goldsmiths. I came to goldsmiths when I was 19. I was young and I didn't know anything about the UK. I just phoned here. It was an unexpected experience to me, not only for me. I think goldsmiths would be special for everyone in goldsmiths. When I first time to arrive into goldsmiths, I thought, what this weird place is. The first impression of goldsmiths was not that good. In fact, I was hated this place. Reason by small studio and lack of the careness. I felt goldsmith is careless, but from I studied goldsmith for 3 years, and now I understand why they treat us like that, and why they were careless to us. They did not treat us as like an art student. Goldsmith is more likely kind of art club than university. Goldsmiths are not teaching us. They just cultivating artists. From first year, I learned my potential performance from Becky. And for second year, I learned about my language with Janice. For the last year with Bernard, I learned the humor in art and the position of artist. As you see from Goldsmith, I became an artist. I love Goldsmith and I'm happy with this place. But I will forget here for my future. I will forget Goldsmith to be a better person. I will leave Goldsmith and I will forget Goldsmith. I will forget. I will forget. Bye, Goldsmith.